Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. The significance of Salah, prayer, is highlighted in numerous verses of the Qur'an. In Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 43, Allah commands, "And establish prayer and give zakah, and bow with those who bow in worship and obedience." Similarly, in Surah An-Nisa, verse 103, Allah says, "Then when you have completed your prayer, remember Allah while standing, sitting, or lying on your sides. But when you have become secure, re-establish regular prayer." Indeed, prayer has been decreed upon the believers a decree of specified times. These verses emphasize the importance and regularity of Salah. Allah has described Salah as a means to keep away from immorality and wrongdoing, as stated in Surah Al-Ankabut, verse 45. And establish prayer. Indeed, prayer prohibits immorality and wrongdoing. The importance and obligation of Salah are also emphasized in Hadith. As stated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Islam is based on 5 pillars: bearing witness that there is no deity but Allah and Muhammad is His messenger, establishing prayer, giving zakah, fasting during Ramadan, and performing Hajj. Similarly, in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, it is mentioned, "Indeed, what lies between a man and shirk and kufr is abandoning Salah." This hadith is also found in Musnad Ahmad. The covenant that distinguishes between us and them is abandoning Salah. Whoever abandons it has committed an act of disbelief. Salah is established in Islam as a fundamental and obligatory act of worship. It is not only a crucial method of worshipping Allah, but also serves as a clear distinction between faith and disbelief. Salah is a symbol of faith, and its absence is seen as a sign of disbelief. It connects a Muslim to Allah and strengthens their faith. Conversely, abandoning Salah distances a person from the foundation of Islam and brings them closer to disbelief. Both the Qur'an and Hadith clearly state the importance of Salah and the condemnation of abandoning it, indicating that one who forsakes Salah is considered to be outside the fold of Islam. May Allah make us among those who establish Salah. Ameen.